Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I just wanted to do a quick video on my helmet setup for vlogging. I've got a LS2 Valiant II modular helmet, and I just wanted to show you how I've set up my camera system on the helmet to use with this. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I wanted to do a quick video here of my current helmet setup. I'm using a Valiant II made by LS2 with the Cardo. You can see it is a modular helmet, and the chin guard goes all the way from the front to the back. I was using a chin mount on that, but in the Florida heat, the weight of the camera knocked it off of there. I got maybe 30 miles out of it before the camera started falling off my chin. So I went back to the drawing board. What I ended up doing is getting this Dango gripper, the Dango gripper mount. I'm using a GoPro 10 with a media mount, or the media mod. And what I did is the microphone is called a Moto vlog, Moto vlog mic or something or other. I can't remember. I'll have to put a link in the description. But it's a solid boom, and I just ran it right through that little hole there. You can see it comes out. Zip tied it to it there so it doesn't go anywhere. I can move it wherever I want to. If I want to stick it out there, I can. It's easier to leave it up close there. But then I just wrap the excess cord through the structure here. I almost lost it. Through the structure here of the gripper, and then just plugs into the back of the media plug. And then it just clips on, and it's good to go. Kind of hard to do with my hands full here, but it comes with this little wrist guard here, or this wrist strap. And all I'll do there is just kind of wrap it around my chin strap, and when that's connected, even if it does fall off, there it goes. So even if it does fall off, it's not going anywhere. It'll just kind of hang there. So yeah, that'll be my current setup. So I'm liking the gripper mount. It seems to be holding onto the helmet pretty good.